Hello everyone, this is Rashi Ghosh from Freshers Camp, back again with regular updates of job notification. Be it IT jobs, diploma jobs, government jobs or any other job notification. We also provide you with regular announcements of off-campus job or walk-in jobs held in all over India. Today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the Mphasis Off-Campus Recruitment 2023 hiring freshers as customer service support. If you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment down any queries, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates. Mphasis is a leading global information technology and infrastructure services company. Mphasis has announced an off-campus hiring recruitment in its official career website. Candidates who are interested can apply from the registration link which have been given in our description box, and all the candidates are requested to go through the detailed information before applying for the post. Graduated freshers from the batches of 2022 to 2023 can apply for this post. The job location will be Pune and the candidates can expect one of the best salary in industry. Candidates should have excellent analytical and problem solving skills, should also have good communication skills. Candidates should be able to operate the computer, including intermediate MS Office as well as intermediate phone operating system. Fluent in English written and spoken with effective business, and also speak in a fluent accent in the phone calls with the customers. Active listening and probing skills, should have basic knowledge of insurance. Should answer customers' calls via phone and also emails with defined SLAs. Record with client system with proper clarification. Refer knowledge base and perform tasks as per defined process. Follow and closure of interactions to ensure customer satisfaction. Candidates should be passionate about customer service. The candidate should be comfortable with rotational shifts, extended weekly hours and also weekly offs. Candidates should clear the VNA and online typing tests. Candidates should have a positive energy, a positive attitude and a self-learn. So hurry up and fill the registration form as soon as possible and get enrolled in one of the leading IT services company. I hope this video was useful to you, so thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. This is Rashi Ghosh from Freshers Camp. We'll be back again with regular updates of job notification from all over India. Till then, see you.